Hello children. So today we are going to learn alternating current chapter. In this chapter we are going to study 1 marks important questions, 2 marks important questions based on alternating current. So let us discuss children. So first question, what is alternating current? It is a current which varies with time sinusoidally. What is period of AC? So period of AC is may be defined as it is a time taken by alternating current to complete one cycle. What is frequency of AC? Frequency of AC is may be defined as it is the number of cycle completed by alternating current in 1 second. What is instantaneous value of current? Value of AC at a given instant of time. Mention the expression for instantaneous value of alternating current. Expression I is equal to I naught sine omega t. Mention the expression for instantaneous value of alternating voltage. V is equal to V naught sine omega t. What is amplitude or peak value of AC? The maximum value of alternating current in either half cycle of alternating current. What is the mean value of AC? It is the mean of all instantaneous alternating current values are taken in either half cycle. Mention the relation between mean value and peak value. Mean value is equal to 2 divided by pi into peak value. What is the root mean square value or RMS value of AC? Root mean square value of AC is may be defined as it is the root mean square of squares of all instantaneous currents in either half cycle of alternating current. Mention the relation between RMS value and peak value of AC. Yes, the relation is very simple. RMS value of AC is equal to peak value upon square root of 2. Mention the expression for inductive reactance and explain the symbols. XL is equal to omega L. XL बोले तो inductive reactance, omega angular frequency, L inductance. Mention the expression for capacitive reactance and explain the symbols. XC is equal to 1 upon omega C. XC capacitive reactance, omega angular frequency, C capacitance, omega 2 into pi into F. We can substitute here omega. Distinguish between resistance and reactance. Look at here children. Resistance means it is the opposition offered by the resistor to the flow of alternating current. Reactance means it is the opposition offered by inductor and capacitor to the flow of alternating current. Definition of impedance. Impedance is may be defined as it is the ratio of RMS value of voltage to RMS value of the current. What is resonant circuit? So resonant circuit means for a given alternating voltage for a particular value of frequency, the current in the LCR circuit is maximum. That kind of circuits are known as resonant circuits. What is electrical resonance? Electrical resonance is may be defined as for a particular frequency of alternating voltage, the current in the LCR circuit is maximum. This phenomena is known as electrical resonance. What is the resonant frequency related to the series LCR circuit? What is resonant frequency related to series LCR circuit? Resonant frequency is may be defined as at a particular frequency of applied alternating voltage, the current in the LCR circuit is maximum. So this particular frequency is known as resonant frequency. So mention the condition for electrical resonance in the series LCR circuit. The condition is very simple. XL is equal to XC. ಅಂದರೆ inductive reactance is equal to capacitive reactance. Then the circuit is in resonance condition. Give an expression for impedance of a series LCR circuit. Impedance is given by square root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Mention the formula for current in the series LCR circuit and hence mention the condition for resonance. Current is given by V upon Z. Z impedance. Condition for resonance XL is equal to XC. Define Q factor of resonant circuit. So Q factor, quality factor is may be defined as it is the ratio of resonant frequency to bandwidth of the signals. What is bandwidth of current in LCR circuit? Bandwidth is may be defined as it is the difference between the frequencies of corresponding signals. Mention expression for Q factor of resonant circuit in terms of resistance and inductance. So Q factor is equal to omega R L divided by R. Omega R, yes, angular frequency of the resonance, then L inductance, R resistance. Define power in a circuit. It is the power dissipated in an alternating current circuit. Define power factor. Power factor is cosine of the angle between voltage and current. What is the value of power factor in pure resistive circuit? 1. What is the value of power factor in pure inductive circuit? 0. What is the value of power factor in pure capacitive circuit? 0. What is wattless current? So wattless current is may be defined as it is the current for which power dissipation is 0. What are LC oscillations? Yes, when a charged capacitor discharged through inductor, electric field oscillations are produced. These electric field oscillations are LC oscillations. What is transformer? So transformer is a device which is used to step up and step down the voltage. What is the principle of transformer? Mutual induction. What is step up transformer? Which steps up alternating voltage. What is step down transformer? Which steps down alternating voltage. Draw the labeled diagram of transformer. Children, in NCERT textbook, so we are having a labeled diagram, so you should refer that diagram. Mention the expression for turns ratio in the transformer and explain the symbols. So turn ratio is given by Ns upon Np is equal to Vs upon Vp is equal to Ip upon Is. Ns, number of turns in secondary coil. Np, number of turn in primary coil. Vs, voltage through secondary coil. Vp, voltage through primary coil. Ip, current through primary coil. Is, current through secondary coil. Mention any one or two losses in transformer. First one, loss due to heating. Second one, loss due to flux leakage. Third one, loss due to eddy current. Fourth one, loss due to hysteresis. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇವು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಈ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.